right, listen closely. If you're watching this and you're not tapped into T-Stackz.cash, you're literally leaving free money on the table. That's why I have the Rackz report. For any of y'all that are unsure about trading yet, I have a free email newsletter right here, which takes you to the Rackz report. And there you get weekly trade breakdowns, one sniper trade a week, real options, entries, and exit strategies, market psychology. And you also get first dibs on new VIP drops. No cost, no excuses, right? Like Christopher just joined. Why would you not want to eat with us? Also, you will need a broker to start this process. You cannot trade without a broker, which is why I use Webull, the best trading broker in the entire world. Watch this. They got the best bid-ask spreads out of all the brokers you can choose from. They also have great user interface, and your field orders are extremely fast. And watch this. They're handing up to $3,500 in free stocks just for showing up. Use my link below. Now let's lock in and let's run it up. Tap in below. All right, in today's video, we're going to be discussing AMC stock. You know, it is a meme stock. It is a penny stock. But I just wanted to dive into their chart since everybody's talking about who would win 100 men versus one gorilla. Obviously, depends on the type of man. Like if it's me, like bro, you only need like 10 of me, to be honest. But let's tap into this chart. And the reason I bring that up too is because a few years ago when GME or GameStop got squeezed, lots of hedge funds and institutions lost billions of dollars. So in this scenario, we're going to call the institutions / hedge funds, we're going to call them the men, and basically the diehard fans or shareholders of the AMC stock, they're called apes. So it's going to be this ape AMC versus all those institutions / investors that are short against AMC. Now, oh, y'all about to get lucky. I'm gonna live chart this with y'all. Y'all about to get lucky. Okay. Join the Discord and I'll tell you exactly what these lines mean. Right now, I'm really just making support and resistance, but you will realize why I use these colors on my charts, personally. If you're in the Discord, you already know. So yeah, just want to mark the lows and the highs first so we get started. As y'all can see, this chart sucks, right? It's not a good. I haven't done no like financial research on the AMC, but I think anybody with a brain can tell it's not the best looking chart. Oh yeah. Like no wonder, like whenever these squeezes occur, like no wonder GME is better because this looks horrible. I'll be real, but it is squeezing technically right now. So eventually it probably will blow, but we'll find out towards the end of the video. Just keep watching. This looks atrocious, man. I really want to see what their financials look like because this looks atrocious. Look at this Hilarious. So far, it's looking like that gorilla not gonna win that fight, man. We're gonna see. Stay tuned. Also, if any of y'all have made money with AMC in the past, drop a comment below. I would love to hear that story. Just because, like, I don't tend to trade meme or penny stocks, but sometimes there's opportunities in there, some arbitrage. Also, if you've lost money though, like I want to know that too. Like, let me know like what experience you had with AMC or even GameStop, for example. Shoot it down in the comments, and I'll definitely read it, and I'll get back to you. Yeah, there's a big gap. Big gap. Yeah. Yeah, it broke through that. Yeah. It was holding for a bit, but yeah, it broke through that for sure. That's the level. It was trying to get through that $33 level, $30. They did not want that $30 at all. Yeah. Oh wow. Yeah. Okay. It's crazy how it looks so much different on each time frame. Wow. Yeah, some more unfilled gaps. Nah, but I'm not liking this so far. But just keep watching. I might have a different analysis when I'm done with all this. But so far, man, I do not like this. You definitely want to know where your gaps are, because even if you're in a trend, sometimes stocks, dependent, or even just anything, any ticker, will have a counter trend rally just to fill a gap, just to come back down lower or higher from where it came from. So it's always important to have your attention on if there's any unfilled gaps on your chart. Obviously, don't be like trying to fill in 1 minute gaps. Don't do that. The lowest time frame gap, unless you're like day trading, you just want to have that visually on your chart. The lowest time frame you should have your gaps really is daily time frame. That's the lowest time frame you want to have it on. Wow, slow grind lower. Wow, it did knock out that lower high, but technically now that's a lower high until it breaks. So now I gotta chart that now, and it hasn't gone lower. What 2380? It hasn't gone lower. So I gotta put this down because this potentially could be a daily higher low. But if that breaks that, the trend's over. So you gotta watch out for that. But yeah, and then because technically that's the lower high, these are just more lower lows and lower highs. It still didn't confirm the trend by making this a new lower. low. So technically this is not a daily lower high. Until 2380 breaks. So I do gotta mark it down though. Okay. Now I do see the tight squeeze on the 2 hour, 4 hour. Daily is a decent squeeze, but you know, it's holding above the 9 and 5 day moving average. But for a stock like AMC, yeah, that's a sign. Yeah, it could go up slightly higher, even test this 50-day moving average. But yeah, I just would not take this. I want to take this, man. Like, what's really like? Is it really worth the risk knowing you're in a downtrend? If you want to wait for some confirmation, like, at least let it break above $3, and then come retest at 50-day. But right now, man, nah. I'm gonna go ahead and say the 100 men win, man. Like, yeah, the case closed. Like, when it had earnings, it just had earnings. Yeah, and it didn't move for shit. So I'm gonna go ahead with the 100 men, and I think this is gonna head lower. Like, I'll even create a trend line real quick. Now, if it wants to break, it wants to break, right? I'm not forcing this trade. I'm not getting into this. So I'm going with 100 men win, man. 100 men. All right, man. Yeah, don't forget to check out the links below. Tap in so you can be a student of the best trading Discord in the entire world. Love to teach you how to win this game. Tap in with the links below, man. It was great catching up with y'all, man. See y'all in the next video.